Tesla's climate control system prioritizes both user comfort and energy efficiency. This segment breaks down the fundamentals. The core of the system is a dual-zone HVAC controlled through the central touchscreen. You'll find options for AC, heat, defrost, and recirculation. Pay special attention to the auto climate feature, which intelligently manages temperature, fan speed, and airflow based on cabin sensors and external conditions. It even integrates with the navigation system for predictive adjustments. You can also use seat and steering wheel heating/cooling to provide zonal comfort. Let's walk through the basics, accessed via the Climate tab on the touchscreen. Tap to set your desired temperature, for example 72 degrees Fahrenheit, enable auto mode, or manually adjust vents. For defrost, tap and hold the defrost icon to activate front and rear defrost. And make sure you leverage the Tesla app for remote control preconditioning. Remember that Max AC can reduce range, especially in extreme heat, so use it judiciously. The Cybertruck features a reinforced HVAC system with a 15% cooling efficiency improvement over previous models. Finally, be aware that Tesla's V12 software release introduced adaptive climate presets that learn from your driving habits and external weather data, automatically adjusting your climate settings for optimal comfort and efficiency. Make sure to update your Tesla to take advantage of this feature. Preconditioning your Tesla via the mobile app is crucial, especially in extreme temperatures to conserve battery life. Tesla's climate tech focuses on sustainability, with systems capable of drawing power from solar roofs or home batteries when parked if available. The Cybertruck, for example, demonstrated its rugged adaptability in desert heat, maintaining a comfortable cabin while using 25% less energy than competitors. Teslarati's YouTube tutorials demonstrate preconditioning for long trips, highlighting the app integration and battery conservation. A study showed that climate-related energy use dropped 12% after V12 updates. Set up preconditioning schedules through the app to have your car ready when you leave. If you have pets, use dog mode to maintain a safe cabin temperature. Experiment with different temperature settings and fan speeds to find your ideal comfort level. Consider using seat heaters in cold weather to save energy compared to running the cabin heater at full blast. Be mindful of the impact of climate control on your car's range. Check the energy impact graph in the car's display to see how much energy is being used by the climate control system. The system's AI aims to deliver hyper-personalized climate control based on individual preferences and biometric data in the future.